morning, this is Melissa with the Stock Swoosh, and I'm here to tell you tonight that there will be a Stock Swoosh free webinar. And it's going to be on Bearish Gaps 101. That's the title and the topic of the seminar. Do you know what a gap is? We're going to go over that in the free seminar. Do you know what a bearish gap is? We're going to talk about that too. And do you want to trade gaps? And do you want to learn a little bit about gaps to see if you might want to trade gaps? We will also do a gap trade review. The live webinar will review real gaps. Why do some work and why do some not? And in fact, let's look right here. This one, I did this day. This is P. See this one right here? This was a gap down day. This was a gap on earnings. This was a nice gap. It worked, and then it had a continuation day the next day. Look at that thing. Beautiful. Really, really, really nice. So this gap worked. This was today. This was GCOM. This gap did not work. Didn't work at all. And we're going to talk about that actually on Monday night. It is very important to have knowledge when you trade. In fact, this is a picture actually of a neuron. This is a picture of a neuron from our brains. It's really important when you trade to have your mind and your brain focused on what you're doing. And you need to have the proper knowledge in place to do that. That's how you're going to make accurate trading decisions. If you don't have the right knowledge about what to do, then how are you going to make proper decisions? Knowledge is very important. Our brains are very important in trading and how we use them. So join us for the free webinar. It's Monday night at 4:30 Eastern Time, September 17th. Remember, I always say this and remind this to everyone. Whenever I do videos, it's about completeness. It's about completeness in your strategy, completeness in your play. You need all those things together, all the pieces of the puzzle if you want to make money trading. You have to have a strategy that works, and you have to have a play that works. What is a play? It's your entry and your exit on your position. That's how you make money. So where and when? It's a free Bearish Gap 101 webinar. It's going to be September 17th at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. To sign up for it, email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. You need to email me before Monday at noon in order to get the sign-up information. So again, to sign up for the free webinar, please contact melissa@thestockswoosh.com. And the deadline for the free webinar sign-up is Monday, September 17th by noon Eastern Time. For your information, I am doing 2 Golden Gap seminars this month, one on the 22nd and 23rd, which is Friday and Saturday, and one on September 29th and 30th, which is Friday and Saturday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. The cost is $1,500. In my Golden Gap seminar, I teach my Bearish Gap strategy. The whole first day is a strategy, and the whole second day is on entries and exits of how to take these positions. It's a lot of information in 2 days' time, but is totally worth it because you can walk away from the class and you have everything you need, all the tools, all the puzzle pieces to be able to go into the market, trade, and make money. This is my contact information. You can email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com, or my Twitter account is at the Stock Swoosh. I also have a Facebook page at the Stock Swoosh, and I have a bunch of videos on YouTube under Miss She Who Dares Wins. If you're interested in seeing some of my play reviews, I can post them on there lots of nights. And you can get a lot more information by watching those videos too. I hope to hear from you. I'd love you to join me on Monday night. Please feel free to email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com to sign up for the free webinar. And I'll see you then.